Hello viewers friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. May God bless you all the blessing you deserve. Always keep smile on your face. So friend, I hope all ideas very beautiful and trendy style cross stitching design. Today I am shared to beautiful embroidery style ideas, cross stitching design, very beautiful fabrics, cross stitching ideas and different qualities and different ideas. So friend, different colors, ideas. I hope all ideas very attractive and stylish, trendy and good looking style. Flora crosses stitching, handmade embroidery, straight cottons, beautiful hand cross stitching design, top and amazing elegant flower cross stitching design, latex and trendy cross stitching design ideas. Very beautiful and graceful cross stitching design, very beautiful cross stitching pattern design ideas, very beautiful pictures and very beautiful ideas. Very beautiful and stunning cross stitching pattern ideas, latex and trendy style. I hope all ideas very graceful and trendy. Gorgeous and good looking style, gorgeous and very latex style, very innovative and graceful design, trendy embroidery style, very graceful and easy made handmade ideas, elegant and very beautiful stunning cross stitching pattern embroidery style, very beautiful embroidery, handmade latex color, flowers, different and unique design. So friends, thanks for you watching latex and trendy ideas. Very graceful and very good looking design, embroidery style, cross stitching design, cross stitching pattern style ideas, cross stitching handmade wall scenery design, and beautiful and graceful bedsheet embroidery style, table cover design, cushion style embroidery, latex and trendy easy made embroidery style. So friend, other videos are very attractive and stylish and graceful design. So friends, watch my video till the end and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After click the bell icon, you will get the notifications of my videos, latest and trendy style.